Hello, welcome. Walking along the bridleway that runs along the bottom of the Moss Valley today, southern Sheffield, place called Eckington. And we're looking for an ancient scheduled monument called the Seldom Seen Engine House. So I've not been here before, but I do believe it is the last remaining building of the Plumley colliery, and it should be visible from this track. It certainly looks very close, so I shouldn't really have any problem finding it. But it is me, so you never can tell. So there's quite a lot of other paths and tracks that come off of this bridleway, which look like they'd be epic to explore. However, I don't know the area, so I'm just going to stick on this main path. I mean, there's another one that goes up to the left here again, but I'm just going to stick on this main path because, as I say, I don't know the area. I don't have massive amounts of time, so I kind of just want to put my eyes on the engine house, presuming we can do that, and talk to you a little bit about my research and get some nice shots. I've walked for, I think it's just under a mile now. I haven't seen a bleeding thing yet, so just keep going. Right, I think I've seen it behind these trees. Might have to go up there, but I'm just going to try down here first and see if there's like a more sane way, because that looks exceptionally muddy going up that little I don't know if it's a slag pile or what, and I don't think camera will allow you to see it through trees, but just back there, that must be it. So let's carry on down here a little. Yeah, this looks like it's going to get us to where we need to be. There's even a little signpost to tell us that we're in the right place. Here we go, the Seldom Seen Engine House. Wow, it's pretty big. It does look all fenced off though, so I don't think we can get in, not that I'm sure that I want to go in anyway. These bars have been removed, so if we wanted to go in, we could. Even I could fit through here. Well, so depending on which sources you read, there's some conflicting stories about when it were built. But it's between 1855 and 1875. And I believe the coal mining operation around here stayed active till about 1915, I think it was, when the colliery closed. I don't know if that were up to do with First World War, you know, like a miners, or if veins had run dry or what. I didn't really check that. one last thing about the Seldom Seen Engine House is where it got its name from. There's two theories, well, there's two major theories anyway. One, that it's seldom seen because it's so difficult to see from the path, which I presume originally weren't there. It's obviously it's become a bridleway now. And the other theory is that it's haunted and the ghost is seldom seen. And I've got to say, while I were around it, it did feel slightly eerie. But I'm not a believer in ghosts, and I certainly didn't see out that would make me believe in them. So that were a quick look and a quick explore of the Seldom Seen Engine House near Eckington in what I believe is the Moss Valley. Quite interesting. Did have a little bit of a nightmare crash drone while I was flying drone around. Luckily, there's a little bit of propeller damage. Nothing else. I've got some spare propellers. You get some with it, so I've just got to change them over. Even with the damaged propellers, it does still fly. I tested it. Everything works completely fine. But I were a little careless in some footage I was trying to get. Lost visual line of sight, and from there everything went wrong. But we're all right. You know, we're okay. So I recovered it. And yeah, so little short video there. Thanks for watching, thanks for coming along, and we'll see you soon. Bye, mates.